The crazy stuff happens. All of the crazy stuff you want to happen that you hear about from me or other people who are a little bit more advanced or a little bit further on their journey is this. You are no greater manifester than you are right now. Right now. Watch your language. If you say, manifesting is hard, I'm not seeing the results, that is what you will experience. Change it to this. I am a master manifester. We all are. If you say to yourself, I have to go to work, I have to go work out, I have to do these things, change your language. I get to do this. I get to do this. Make it fun. Make everything in your life fun. Why not? Why not have absolute trust? Change your language. Change your life.